Happy Wednesday, everyone. Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And as we take a look at the severe weather threat over the next few days, overall pretty minimal, really nothing major happening. But we could see some changes into May, which is, of course, next week. We may be seeing a bit of a pattern change next week. But overall, the eastern U.S. is going to remain a bit on the soggy side, especially the northeast. Yesterday, it was actually dry the farther north you went, but we picked up 5/100ths of an inch in New York late. Philadelphia, 11/100ths of an inch, almost a half an inch in D.C. and Pittsburgh as this area of low pressure continued to lift north into the region. Now, we are going to have areas of heavier rain along the coast and into the northern New England states as this stubborn and very slow-moving area of low pressure continues to slide into these areas. So as you can see, even into our Thursday afternoon, we're still dealing with some of the leftover showers across the northern New England states. And total amounts of liquid yet through the end of the week could be approaching an inch plus. This is looking at, again, through 7 p.m. Friday, maybe an additional half inch in D.C., up to about an inch in New York, an inch and a quarter in Boston, and an inch plus in Portland and Caribou, Maine. So things are going to be soggy there. We're also going to see some soggy weather develop once again into the Tennessee Valley, the Gulf Coast states, as another area of low pressure slides in. A very similar area of low pressure, and it's track, I guess. As you can see, it kind of sliding to the south, eventually almost due east, and then back up to the northeast as we approach the end of the week. There could be a couple of isolated strong storms on the southern side of that as well. But today, as the severe weather threat is a marginal risk over southern Texas, and then just a general thunderstorm threat over the southeast into our Thursday. But you can see a marginal threat developing over the western U.S. later this week as this next storm system moves on in from the Pacific. And this is the one that could actually bring in some more severe weather across the plains as we head into next week. But overall, again, precipitation will be developing in the southern U.S.